Before we continue with the coding of our app, we need to discuss what a database is and why we'd actually want to use one. Android and iOS both come with native SQLite database support. And in almost every app, without exception, that you're going to make, you're going to have to store data. And in most cases, that data is not just of one type. There are lots of types of data. So you may have these rectangular bricks of data, you may have circular ones, and you may have various other kinds. Now, it would be very difficult to store these in, say, a text file, for example, because you'd have to convert everything to strings and then store it away as that, and when you got it back out, you'd have to convert back to numbers, etc. So the solution to this is a database. And if you think of the big blue base as the database, what it can do is it can store all those bits of data for you in these sort of native strings, integers, that kind of thing. And databases also give you a lot of power over how you access these things. So you can ask a database, give me this list of stuff with all of these different variables, and I want you to order it in a certain way. So, for example, order it in a way that puts it by date it was entered, or by size of string, or by name. There's lots and lots of ways of chopping the data. So, SQLite databases are absolutely essential for apps. And if you think of SQLite databases as the vital data connection between itself and the actual app on the phone, you'll be set. And once you've written a decent SQLite database class and various methods, you can then simply just copy and paste that in future projects, check it works, but once you've got your decent class going, you'll never really have to rewrite it.